Are you really struggling with your curls? Then don't miss this video out. This video is for girls who love perfect curls. I'm also going to share some do's and don'ts, so stick till the end for getting those perfect curls. A special thanks to this cute little girl who has requested for this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. After getting a hair wash with my favorite shampoo and conditioner, the first step to have those perfect curls is applying this product. That is the curl defining cream. It's perfect for frizzy, wavy and curly hair. It also adds shine to your curls. It's also sulfide, paraben and silicone free. Now the first don't which I would like to share is never use a comb on dry hair. A complete no for curly hairs. It will lead to damage and breakage of your healthy hair. If you want to remove your tangle, use it when you apply conditioner. That is the best time to use your comb to detangle your hair. Now, the next step to get those perfect defined hair is applying this defining gel. I am using this product for more than 5 years now and has helped my curls last longer, like for more than 3 to 4 days. Just to mention, this video is not sponsored, so all the review which I am sharing is straight from my heart. When also this product is sulfide, silicone, paraben and alcohol free, just make sure that you don't apply any of these products on your scalp. Also, your hair should be damp when you're applying this or else it won't work effectively. Now, the final step to get those curls is to dry your hair. Either you can dry it using a diffuser or naturally. Both works perfectly fine. But if you have a hair dryer, then do get these extension on Amazon. It's like a quicker and a very easy way to dry those curls. Now the most important thing, just make sure that your product doesn't have any drying alcohol. It should be paraben free, should not contain silicone or any of the waxes or minerals. Also, don't wash your hair daily. It will remove all the natural oil from your curls and it also makes difficult to retain those moisture. I have stopped straightening my hair, stopped using those products which contains chemicals and never dyed my hair yet. Yeah, but these are the results which I've got and I'm just loving it. If you like this video, save this video for your further reference. Bye for now. See you soon.